Jumbo left?
Yeah, I know about jumbo left. Dude, it's 3 jumbos, dude. I only ate about 2 jumbos. Hell no. I ate 2 jumbos. There was a 3rd jumbo in there. How much I had left.
Dude, when you watch Cone give up and he was that close, dude, you're so discouraged.
Yeah,
to
it's
keep
discouraged,
going,
dude. When you see this guy give up, I'm like,
that's why I just gave up. That's why I started eating like.
No. You know what's discouraging?
We're be discouraged by that.
You know what discouraging?
Dude,
no, the more discouraging.
You know you can't catch up to him. How the hell do you expect to finish?
No, it's bigger now, dude.
No, they put hella shit in it, dude.
Now, see, that's
It is different, yeah.
No, I told you,
No,
it's MSG, dude. No, I'm telling you. Just, alright.
Look, no,
I cook a lot, right?
No,
It tastes like you know, like when you make buy the rice noodles, and you don't.
When after a while, it was so bad that when the
he's
started
dripping.
going, you could taste, you could feel the MSG and all your bites, dude.
You feel like some of the flakes that they didn't wash?
Yeah, exactly, dude. You can feel
Wow,
the
that's
flakes.
no joke.
Flakes, right? It's the flakes back on the noodles.
What you
That's
doing?
no joke, dude.
That's what I said.
Just throw that motherfucker up.
No, you can't tell at first
Dude,
because you're eating at first because you don't tell because you're like, oh, this is good.
Going
But
down.
After
No, they won't put MSG in there, dude.